Hello and welcome to the module Industrial Placement. My name is Vassiliki Bouki and I am the module leader. You are in this module on Blackboard Industrial Placement. This is a year-long module. For this module, students have to submit 3 log reports and 1 final report. In order to access students' work, you need to go to this icon, Gradebook, click here, and here you get all the work submitted by students. As I said, they have to submit the first, the second, and the third log report and the final placement report. In order to see the work submitted by the students, you click on the title. It takes few seconds. Now we are in the assignment box, and here you can see all the work submitted by students. You click on a title, let's say this one. The work opens in a new window, and here you can see the log report. The log report must be signed by the line manager. The student has to complete the first part, and the line manager needs to complete the second part. So the line manager has these criteria and these options. Please notice that due to COVID, the reports sometimes are not signed physically by the line manager. The student gets some comments for this, and this is the feedback. In order to go back, we just close this. The 3 reports are submitted throughout the academic year. The first one is submitted at the end of October, the second at the end of January, and the third one in April. These 3 reports are similar. They use exactly the same layout, the same form. Let's say this one. It is the same format. And again, the line manager has to give his or her opinion and to sign the report. The third one is the same. And we have also the final report. The final report is submitted towards the end of May. Students have completed at least 6 months of work, and they are close to complete, let's say, this final report. The final report is completed by the student only, and we ask the student to give an overall view, a critical view on the placement year. So a template is given to the student is asked to complete these parts. The background, the roles and activities, skills development, challenges, the academic context, future development career, and the overall placement evaluation. Again, some comments are given for this report. Again, we close the assignment box. Please notice that this module is pass or fail module. No marks are involved. So if you see here the overall marks, you say that we have number 1. Number 1 means pass. As you can see, we have 2 cases. one student who did not submit the second, the third, and the final report. Unfortunately, Hadi suffered from COVID, and now we are in contact with the student and with the line manager. If the company will agree to extend the placement, then Hadi will be advised, is already advised in this case, to apply for mitigating circumstances. And also we have Tarine. She did not submit the first and the second report because she started the placement later. During the first semester, she attended two modules and she extends her placement in the first semester of the next academic year. We can go back here and please notice we are in the gradebook. If you want to go back to the main page, you need to click here, the first icon, course content. If you go back to the course content, you can see all the other documents, information related to this module, the proforma, the marks, and the annual monitoring report. Please notice that also, apart from the work that students submit, we have placement visits. You can find more information about placement visits here for engineering students and for placement students. It is the same, and students are visited by the module leader, by myself, or by the personal tutor. Thank you very much for attending this video. I hope you'll find it useful.